To celebrate Star Wars Day, Reading Pioneers is proud to present Star Wars: Escape from Darth Vader, written by Michael Siglain, art by Stephen Rao. Long ago, and far, far away, a small ship was under attack. It was being chased by a big ship. Inside the small ship were two droids. One droid was short, and the other was tall. The tall droid was named C-3PO. He was worried. He thought they were doomed. The short droid was named R2-D2. He was not worried. He wanted to find the princess. The princess was named Leia. Princess Leia had secret battle plans. The troopers from the big ship wanted to steal the secret battle plans. The troopers ran through the small ship. Then Darth Vader appeared. Darth Vader was a Sith Lord. He was mean and scary. Darth Vader ordered the troopers to search the ship. Princess Leia had to keep the secret plans hidden from Darth Vader. She gave them to R2-D2 to keep them safe. Then Princess Leia hid from Darth Vader. But the troopers were still looking for the princess. Princess Leia attacked the troopers. But the troopers captured her. They brought her to Darth Vader. The princess did not tell Darth Vader that R2-D2 had the plans. No one knew where R2-D2 was. Then C-3PO found him. R2-D2 got inside an escape pod. He had to get the plans off the ship. C-3PO followed R2-D2 into the pod. The pod flew away from the big ship. The droids escaped from Darth Vader. They landed on a very sandy planet. Now a new journey was about to begin for R2-D2 and C-3PO. Thank you everyone for reading along with us today to the story Star Wars: Escape from Darth Vader. How did you like it? Comment below your thoughts about the story. If you're interested in other stories by Reading Pioneers, you can check this card over here on the left. If you have other suggestions for Reading Pioneers, please comment below, and I'll be sure to add them to our library. Thanks again everyone for following along, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.